Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by positioning your hand and eye on the target. This alignment reduces corrective movement. Once done, tap the one-touch slot to arm the lightning flick ability and keep finger poised just above the display. Make sure low latency mode and high frame rate are active so your single motion registers. Use a short, controlled wrist motion, not the whole arm, because speed with accuracy comes from a compact path and consistent pressure on release. Now you perform the actual lightning flick. Initiate a brisk, short arc and complete the motion in about 1/4 of a second to exploit input windows. As you flick, apply a subtle downward pressure at the end to ensure the touch registers cleanly. This prevents ghost taps. Keep your gaze fixed on a small screen landmark so your wrist rotation maps consistently to aim. Practice repeating the same arc until muscle memory eliminates hesitation and variance. Finish by returning your finger to a neutral hover so you're ready for the next one touch. If the flick misfires, recalibrate touch sensitivity, shorten the swipe by about 10 to 20% and try again. Small changes often fix timing issues. Make sure no screen protectors impede contact and that your finger is dry. If problems persist, record slow motion to pinpoint whether timing or contact area is the culprit, then iterate adjustments until consistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.